was that?
What was that one?
I'm pretty sure I heard something.
No, I was just making some noise. That's all.
Damn, if you can make that noise with like your face hole, then like I think you can get a job doing some really wacky voice acting. Landmine voice actor.
Landmine voice actor.
I used my whole stamina bar like an idiot.
Okay, we got 5 things. We need more. Keep going.
Tea kettle 42.
Laser pointer. Let's go. Leave. Out.
Get going. Depending on how much that laser pointer is worth, you might just leave it on me.
It was 68. I don't know about that. I'll do that.
Okay. I am on my way because I am right behind you.
Fuck the wrong way.
Carry that. I want to juggle.
Hold the crunk!
Drill down, see if we get enough.
232 to 300.
Holy fuck. Okay. I'll route us to the company.
Alright, I'm grabbing heavy stuff, so someone else ring.
Yeah, I'll ring.
We have, do you have the, I mean, do we have all the items between me and Pumpkin?
What?
Yeah,
Me and Pumpkin have all the items.
Yeah, so Goose is gonna ring, and then Mikey will take us off the moment we tell him to.
No, he'll take off as soon as he's able to.
Okay.
Because the ship takes a bit.
Yeah, it does. Go.
My time was at 2:30 and I started before I even joined.
Oh, we got it. 100%. Let's go.
Was that it?
232.
We got it?
We got it.
Like 10 seconds? What's that?
Yeah. About.
We're fucking